Let's start with clause 11 of CARO 2020. During your audit phase, like, if you're there in the client place for 15 days, 20 days, if you have noticed any fraud that is committed by either your client or the fraud is committed against your client, you have to report it. Simple. Just report it. Irrespective of this amount, that amount, no. Report. Along with that, if the amount of that fraud is over 1 crore, 1 crore or above, 1 crore or above, the Companies Act, Section 143, subsection 12, requires you to report that to central government directly, as in you as an auditor, in Form ADT 4. So during the year, if you have found a fraud that is so big that you have reported it to central government in Form ADT 4, you have to explain that into the audit in clause 11 of CARO 2020. While you were doing all this, did you consider the whistleblower complaints? What does it mean by whistleblower complaints? The companies has a whistleblower policy. Simple. Anybody see any fraud where the employee is involved, supplier is involved, company is involved, management is involved, director is on, come to us. We will not reveal your identity, but we will consider your complaint. So while you were reporting all this, did you consider the whistleblower complaints received during the year, if any? Done? Simple, like really simple clause. So you have to remember ADT 4, when to use section 140, subsection 12, you have to know the reporting to be done to the central government, you have to know the whistleblower point, and the normal one, fraud committed by the company, fraud committed against the company. And the answer is whether that fraud has committed. Clear? Simple. It's very simple.
Yeah.